So we are here at our local flea market super early in the morning before the sun has officially rose. I already hear the low growl of the taco truck generator, so that's going to be something we'll have to deal with when we get to the booths around that. Ooh, look at that truck. Fancy, going out the only entrance. There's a sign over there that says wrong way. Shout out South Carolina drivers. But let's go ahead and get over here to the flea market booths and see if we can find some stuff to flip for profit. Hey, what's up, man? Yes, I've never seen this Dino.
Oh yeah, that's a display though. Yeah, that's 1963. Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
But you know what? This is like, of course, it's rusted and stuff.
Oh yeah, it's older than my mom.
I have one. It's like $400, but I'm selling it for $50. But
Yeah.
it's got, this by itself is a lot of money.
Yeah.
People want parts.
I'm sure.
I'm asking $10 a piece on. I only have 2 left of them.
It's a Batmobile.
Yeah, that's a remake Bob Batmobile, but it's $25 now. So.
25 bucks.
Yeah, that's brand new.
Yeah.
Got the stickers and everything. That's the new, you know.
2017.
Throwing something out.
Oh, here we go.
It's an old book.
Starting an eBay business for dummies. That's appropriate.
They're like, they sell for $25 online.
I'll give you 20 bucks for these two.
Okay,
like I said, we got our own bag right
here.
here. Yeah. This guy always has really cool items for sale at the flea market, and we haven't bought anything from him in a while, so I bought these 2 figures for him today for 20 bucks. I don't think there's a ton of money to be made. It looks like they're each going to sell for about $25 free shipping, so after shipping and fees, we probably won't make any money, but we're keeping this relationship alive for future purchases.
I was watching you guys' video yesterday with you were going by yourself out there.
Yeah.
That was cute, though.
Thank you.
Did a good job. You need to get rid of him and just do it yourself.
That's right.
That's what
right.
people keep saying.
I'm just kidding.
I'm holding her back.
You guys enjoy. I hope you find some good stuff.
Thanks, man. Appreciate
Thank you
it.
for getting this stuff.
Absolutely. You know the other toy gun we have listed, it was taken down.
True.
Because it like violated some sort of thing.
Really?
Yeah. I don't.
You got to have the red caps on them when you put them online to sell.
Yeah, I learned that. I mean, we sold one. It wasn't. I mean, it was like one of those. I think we bought them from you.
I have.
But one was like the space gun.
Yeah,
we sold that super fast, and the other one was the Red Ranger popper gun.
I just don't go online and sell.
I mean, it was. I think it sold for like $50 or something.
Yeah.
So, there was one that sold back in like 2012 for like 140, but
Yeah.
that was a while ago. Those all the red lines.
Yeah, I got a bunch of red lines today.
So you come out the whole line.
Yeah, you can come back here if you want to look at them. I have a bunch of them today.
Police. No, the red lines, they have the red line around the wheel.
Oh.
Yeah, that's the early ones.
It's from 1974.
Wow. Junior.
Is this that uranium glass?
Yes, it glows when you shine the light on it.
Yeah, that's cool. Is this one too?
Yep, that's one too.
There's too well, don't they?
I think so. What are you asking for these?
15 a piece.
15. Could you do 10 on the picture? Since I can't sell my other gun that I bought from you.
That's not his fault.
That's true. Come on, Alien, try to get a deal
I had to stay up 15 on that picture, man. It ain't got no chips in it. It's in great shape.
Yeah.
I mean, it's.
I had to ask. I'll give you
Yeah, I
15
know.
for it.
That's the name of the game. This is a McCoy.
McCoy cookie
Yep,
jar.
this is
I don't know anything about McCoy, so what's that?
It's a McCoy cookie. It's an old cookie jar, but I mean, it's in great shape too.
Yeah.
I mean,
I usually avoid glass. I just.
me too.
I've always.
But my wife does glass.
Yeah.
So,
Ends up out here.
Some of it does and some of it don't. She's had that picture. I bet she's had that picture over 15 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
Sitting on the shelf over there. She just took the price tag off of what she paid for it.
Yeah.
You don't want to know what the price tag was. But I couldn't
More than
believe
$15, I imagine.
it. Yeah, a whole lot.
How much you asking for the mic pop? Because if you could do it
You
for
gonna buy the
$5.
picture?
Yeah, if you could
I'd
do it for
do 20
$5.
for both.
Okay. That's fair. There you go.
The more
Thanks,
you buy,
man.
the better it gets.
That's right. That's right. Your stuff is so cool. I just have no idea what it's worth, and I don't want to sit here and look everything up in front of you.
I just don't mess with online because I don't have time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like I took the day off to come out here to sell just because I
Yeah.
wanted to take the day off work.
Yeah.
So, I mean, but I figured that because I'm moving.
Yeah.
And I ain't taking. Man, I got nothing but a shed. It's full of toys.
Yeah.
Because it's just 40 years of collecting. I used to clean out rental properties and foreclosures.
Yeah.
And I've done it for over 35, 40 years, man.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
I've collected up some
Well,
stuff.
let me ask you. So,
Crazy.
I don't know if you've seen the camera. We got a YouTube channel where
Yeah.
we're just kind of like American Pickers.
Yeah.
Would you ever be willing to let us come out to your shed or whatever and just look at it? Save you the trip out here.
Well, that's the fun part about it to me.
Oh, yeah.
I just, I live way back in the woods.
Yeah.
There's only one way in, one way out.
I don't want to go anymore. I had to ask because we're all. Anytime you can make a video, we got like a private pit going on. Digging in somebody's old
that's
barn or
the thing.
something.
I wouldn't want nobody to know what I got.
I understand.
You know what I'm saying?
I understand.
What's up, man?
We'll let you get to it. You got other customers. I appreciate the deal, man. Could be.
It hasn't been this cold so far.
Yeah.
This
Ooh,
year,
that's
so it's like a shock.
Infinity. That's a good one. Cobra 440 SZ.
This has nothing on it. Yeah, it has
What is
nothing
that?
on it. I don't know. It says
It's
Zivit
missing
at
a
the
weight
top.
right there. It looks kind of like a Scotty camera from the top. Is this your table, sir? Is this yours? How much you ask?
I do 10 on that one.
10?
What,
Yeah, I can do 10 on that. There you go, sir. Thanks, man.
take one of them covers too.
Yeah, I'll take the Carolina one. Get scratched. All right, we appreciate you. Yeah. Hey, what's up, man? TPX.
It's a little dirty, they're sitting in the shed.
Yeah. How much you asking?
10, I'd take less probably.
You gotta wait until I walk away to say that.
I want to sell it. I had too many people looking and walking.
Yeah. Let's see. I got a bunch of ones. Let me see how many ones I got. How about 8? Since you already told me you'd take less than 10.
Yeah, that works.
There you go.
Thanks, sir.
Thanks, man. $85 listed. 51 sold. Just in case you don't know what I did there, I searched the item on eBay to see how many were actually listed for sale, and then I filtered the search results to see how many have actually sold in the last 90 days, and that was 51 sold, 85 currently listed. So to check the sell-through rate of your item, I'm sure you guys have heard that before, you basically divide the total number sold by the total active, which is 51 divided by 85, and that gives us a sell-through rate for this item of 60%, which is pretty good, but I'd like to see it a little bit higher.
Nothing. Oh, that's not 80 free shipping.
Yeah, if only I had the controller. What you got on the Sony?
Give me 15.
You don't have the remote for it anywhere, do you?
No.
I had turned the camera off, but the guy came back and offered me $10 for that, or said he would take $10 for the VCR things we got in the bag over there. $10 for that. I think we should be able to get about 60 plus shipping for it.
Stuff we got? Yeah, those are cool.
Look at this ET.
Wow.
Some art project. No, that's wood. No, it's not wood.
$20.
It's not bad.
Oh, that's cool.
Wow. Is it vintage?
It looks like it.
It's definitely vintage. That's
And the
cool.
Braves are doing well.
Oh yeah, they're gonna win the World Series. Is this your table down here?
Yeah.
How much you want for the hat?
5.
Yeah, I'll do 5 on that. Oh, these are top loaders. What's your top loaders down there?
I'm doing $4 a
Do you know how many you have total? Or how much would you take for all of it? Really is what I'm getting at.
18 and 50.
Did you do 45? I got 2 20s and a 5, just so you...
Yeah, that's cool.
Okay, cool.
Thank you.
Thanks, man. You know, keep the basket?
You can take it if you want it, or I can put them in a bag. Up to you.
I'll just take it, just so it's easier to carry it. Thanks, man.
Yeah.
Is that easier to carry? You can just shove them in here. That's
Oh,
not
that's true.
easier to carry.
That's true. 1, 2, 17. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay. So $45 for 22 packs of top loaders is a fantastic deal. These are basically just protective sleeves for trading cards. I think we're going to list these in lots of 2. So one listing with a lot of 2, quantity of 11 since we have 22 packs. And I think we should be able to get about $25 free shipping for each 2 packs. So after fees, shipping, and cost of goods, we should walk away with about $100 on this deal. Now I'll leave the basket now. And I'll carry the heavy bag. I got it. And you can carry the bag with the baseball bat. Yeah, I think she's got a couple of them. What you got on the hats?
They're 5, 3 for 12.
5 or 3 for 12. Okay.
How much is the backpack?
Backpack is 30. I do 25.
You got a $10 bill?
Yeah.
Okay. I got 3 hats from you. 22. We got our own bag.
Oh, okay. They're 10.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
I'll do 10 for that. Just toss it in here. Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
Thanks, man.
Oh, no problem.
Alright, Gore-Tex, Browning, 2XL. Yeah, I'll give you 20 bucks for that. I think that's cool. There you go. Oh, that's neat.
Quaker State.
Oh, Quaker State Oil, okay.
This is neat.
What is that? Oh, it's like an old pop gun.
BB gun. Daisy.
Oh, it's a BB gun.
It's a Daisy.
That is neat.
Yeah. Cock it back
Right here?
like a 9.
Wow.
Forward. Now shoot it.
Got some punch.
Yeah.
That's neat. You know what year this is from? Or decade?
I think it's from the 50s.
50s? That's neat. So it was a pretty solid flea market trip. All in all, we spent $155, I believe, on everything you guys saw in today's video. And it was a lot of different types of items. I mean, we got the top loaders, which was probably the best find of the day. We got that King Cobra driver, which was pretty solid. A baseball bat, a VCR combo unit. I mean, just a really nice, healthy mix of items, which I personally love. I know when we go to the flea market and we only buy like shoes or something, that can be kind of boring. Like if you're not interested in shoes, then that video might be boring. But I feel like today's video had a little bit for everyone. In terms of profit, I think after fees, shipping, and cost of goods, we should end up making between $300 and $350 in profit on today's haul. A couple things are still up in the air, but I think that's a pretty conservative number. If you guys remember in past videos, whenever we come home to see Moe's, we usually have a little shot opening the door. And every time I showed that shot, I had people comment on the video saying that we really needed a deadbolt installed on our front door. And if you guys remember, a couple weeks ago, we went to a garage sale in our neighborhood and we found a new deadbolt and doorknob set for like 20 bucks. It was originally 100. We had it listed on eBay for 75 plus shipping, but I went ahead and took it down because I wanted to install it on our door. I say I wanted to. I do not have the ability or the time to mess with something like that, but we did have it installed. This is what the new one looks like. Much it's nice and smooth, much more secure than just having the one little doorknob, and that's what it looks like on the other side as well. We love it. And this was actually installed by my friend Dean. So I met Dean and his family a little over a year ago. They actually came to one of our first garage sales we did here at the house. And Dean told me at the time that he had started a handyman business. And I personally love young entrepreneurs, you know, trying to work and hustle and make something for themselves. So over the last year, anytime we've needed something done at the house, we always call Dean first. He's done a garage door opener for us. He's fixed like some siding or something on the house. And then recently he's installed this deadbolt on our door. Dean also has a YouTube channel where he films like the handyman jobs that he's doing for clients to document his business and show other people on YouTube how it's done. So check out his channel. I'll have it linked below. He actually made a video installing our deadbolt back here, and I was just really impressed with him overall. His hustle, his work ethic, his YouTube videos. For somebody that has less than 400 subscribers right now, I am super impressed with his videos, and apparently Mo's is too. But check out his video down below. Give him some support, show him some love, subscribe to his channel. I just really want to support him any way I can, so giving him a shout out on the video is the least I could do. So check it out. I think you'll like it. So it is currently October 31st, Halloween, and I was trying to film an outro for this video last night at church. We went to a trunk or treat event. It's kind of like trick or treat, but with car trunks instead of doors. So everybody backs into the parking lot and decorates their trunks for different themes and then hand out candy to kids that stop by. I just want to give a quick shout out to my wife, Haley. She did a fantastic job decorating our trunk with a Minecraft theme. There was a creeper, there was a pig that was really cute, some TNT blocks. I was trying to get some footage. It wasn't super great lighting there last night, so just bear with me on that. But all in all, it was a super fun time. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We definitely appreciate your time. If you could take a couple seconds and hit that like button for us down below, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below as well. We are super close to hitting 200,000 subscribers. So if you guys want to help us hit that, be sure to go ahead and do so down below. Thank you guys again for watching. You're the best, and we'll catch you on the next one.